Okay, so recently I did a video on using Amazon and Kindle Fire lock screen ads in Amazon and KDP to promote your ebook. Unfortunately, that ad was rejected, and I finally found out why. Okay, so here is the email that Amazon sent to me this morning. We acknowledge your concern in regards to campaign name, my first lock screen ad, rejected for ads. This is about the lock screen ad for the book titled A Freelancer's Tale, Becoming a Freelance Writer While Dealing with Depression. We have determined that the ad, campaign name, campaign, then the date, is not appropriate for all audiences. That's funny because they went ahead and cut out the campaign name and just put in their default. So it doesn't even look like they read the book. We review ads on a case-by-case basis and reserve the right to not run ads that contain elements that may not be appropriate for all audiences. This may include self-help content such as books themed around personal life and personal health. The content of the book is in violation of the following policy: books on relationship and parenting issues, pregnancy, success or failure in dating, marriage, divorce, and other personal or unfortunate life events such as dealing with mourning and grief, or on personal health issues such as sexual dysfunction, chronic illness, mental or physical diseases, addictions and recovery, or other sensitive conditions such as anxiety. Lock screen ads appear on Kindle devices, which are highly personalized in nature, and therefore we didn't allow any content which may be considered sensitive in nature. So if they're personalized, wouldn't that mean that the person receiving the ad is interested in the shit that I wrote? However, they do have an option to advertise this book in keyword-targeted placement, such as sponsored products and sponsored brands. For more details on our Amazon advertising policy, check yada yada yada, and there's the ads. Were you satisfied with the support provided? I'm half tempted to click no. So what this means is if you have any negative life events in your book, then your ad's going to get shot down, even if it's a book on hope and never giving up. Personally, I think it's ridiculous, but it's Amazon's platform. What are you going to do? Does this mean that lock screen ads are pointless? Not really. If you push a Brady Bunch, Tony Robbins, Rainbow and Flowers version of your book, then everything's going to be fine. So if you have content in there that could be triggering to just about anybody, you might as well move on to something else. In fact, I couldn't even find a section in the lock screen ads for horror, so it is pretty castrated. I guess Amazon really wants you to push children's books to lock screen ads. What does this mean for my book? Well, it just means I'm going to have to use the sponsored products ads instead, which, I was going to do anyway, but I was kind of hoping that the lock screen ads could have given me a little bit more exposure. And I will be making a video on that process in the very near future. So how do you feel about lock screen ads with Amazon with this policy? I'm kind of worried on how it's going to impact my Barnes & Noble account because I don't know if I'm doing the same thing with Barnes & Noble. I'm hoping that they're not going to be as anal. But I'll figure that out once I fix my bank account information and can set up a vendor account on Barnes & Noble. That's a process all of its own. But if you'd like to read the book that is triggering Amazon to reject the ad, the link to A Freelancer's Tale is in the description down below. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button for more videos about self-publishing, freelance writing, text broker, WordPress, or anything else I cover that related to writing. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That's going to do it for me today. I'll see you next time.